Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. For today's video we will mix bubblegum pink for girls' bedroom. Bubblegum pink is a light shade of pink, much like the traditional color of gumball. This brighter, sweeter pink paint works well as accent in rooms that have a lot of natural lighting. The use of pink can convey playfulness and frivolity or romance and tenderness. Before we start, please don't forget to click the subscribe button below to keep updated on our paint mixing tutorial videos. Thank you. Our client order 1 liter of bubblegum pink semi-gloss latex mix for girls' bedroom. We prepare 4 color combination: 75% of semi-gloss latex white, 12% of ochre color maroon, 10% of ochre color red, and 3% of ochre color blue. Okay, let's start by pouring ochre color maroon to semi-gloss latex white. Then a drop of ochre color phthalo blue. Stir the paint well. It's lighter and bluish. Let's add ochre color tulipine red. Let's compare it. They are the same already. It's almost the same already. We just have to make it a little more brighter. Let's add more latex white, ochre color maroon, and ochre color red to make it more brighter pink. Stir the paint very well until the color result comes out. If they are the same now. Yes, the color matches too. Our client sample mixing accomplished. If you are new to our channel, please do click the subscribe button to keep updated on our paint mixing tutorial videos. Thank you for watching.